What's good, YouTube? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got here the OnePlus 7 Pro 256GB model. What I'm going to do here is a little bit something different than an unboxing, more along the lines of an introduction. Now, earlier I had some technical difficulties. I was trying to do a live unboxing. I had some issues with my software update, and it pretty much deleted my microphone setting, and I didn't take note of that until much later, after some much needed troubleshooting, to find out why my settings that I've always been using in the past for streaming was not working. Something to do with the software update, where a lot of those settings was actually either reset to a default manner or somewhat deleted. You know, it's a long story, but that's neither here nor there. Just want to let you guys know the OnePlus 7 Pro is on. I didn't want to do an unboxing. That was the reason why I was doing the live unboxing, to try to do something a little different than other just having this overhead view, opening up the box. You're looking at a charger, you're looking at a SIM ejector, and just the paperwork that comes with these phones. But I did decide to do this video to give the viewership and people, you know, let them know, hey, it is on my channel. I didn't want anybody to look surprised that I'm doing case videos of a OnePlus 7 Pro and never done an unboxing. So again, like I said, I do have the 256GB variant, the Nebula Blue. I'm really feeling this phone. I really like it. The display is off the chain. This display, this 90 Hertz, the smoothness, this particular display is something that we needed on past OnePlus. The camera, I haven't really used it a lot. I did take a selfie with the pop-up camera. That thing is real smooth. It doesn't make any type of mechanical noises or anything of that nature. So that's real smooth. I like that a lot. That's excellent. This curved display is very Samsung reminiscent to me. It's pretty much the same fingerprint sensor from the previous one. I did have a software update, and now that's taken care of. So I'm wondering the type of screen protector that's going to be needed for this curved display. It's probably going to have to need maybe a white stone, or you're going to have to probably use one of the more flexible kind of clear rubber style screen protectors for this phone. The near stock Android setup is good. I like stock Android. You do get a little bit of a slight customization with the accent color deal they got in the display. In general though, this phone is really nice. The SIM ejector though is on the bottom, which is a little different, so that's something to take note of, with the SIM ejector being on the bottom of the phone. Most people are used to finding it on the side, either left or right. You do have a microphone hole just to the right of the actual pop-up camera. The display itself is really beautiful. You can set the screen for the 90 Hertz smoothness, higher refresh. That's what I currently have mine on right now. Let me see here. They do have a video enhancer, so while it will enhance the colors while playing back videos, go ahead and switch that on. As you can see how that works, how that screen show you the difference with and without the video enhancer. So I think you may want to turn that on when you get your phone. I do have a screen calibration set for Vivid. They do have a natural, and if you're into customizing, you can go into the advanced setting and set up your RGB or display P3 settings. But I went ahead and went with the Vivid. The theme, I do have it on light, but you do have a colorful theme, where you got a little combination of the light and the dark with a black icon setup. So that's pretty good. That'll save you some battery with those dark colors in this panel. You can go all dark. So again, theming, man, just take your pick of what you like. The accent colors, all of that will play into this. Go with that orange. See what that looks like with the dark theme. Looks real nice, man, I'm telling you. It's gonna be a while before I get this phone set up to where I like it. As of now, this is just an initial introduction to let you guys know that the OnePlus 7 Pro is on my channel. Sorry about the stream earlier. I wasn't able to give you a proper stream. But again, I just want to let you know this phone is on my channel. Also, dual speakers. Good thing OnePlus 7 finally, well, OnePlus has finally given us dual speakers, so that's good. So again, I am gonna, this phone is gonna move up to probably my #1 phone. I do use 2 phones. I used the S10 Plus and I'm in the iPhone XR. I think I may have to put the XR down for a little while and run that dual Android life. I used to like to try to keep at least one Apple product in my pocket, but what I'm going to do is use both phones, the 10 Plus and the OnePlus 7, and I'm going to see which phone I tend to use the most, because I'm pretty much going to go back to the iPhone just for the simple fact that a lot of my family have iPhones, and I'm kind of in an ecosystem when it comes to things like with the iPad and my iMac, what have you, and I like the entire ecosystem. So that's the big draw to me for the iPhone, but I can't put the iPhone down for a while, trust and believe. And it may be a while actually before I do pick the iPhone back up again with both of these phones. I also got some cases coming in, so be on the lookout for some case videos. Again, everybody, thank you, and thanks for the patience and understanding of my botch live stream that I try to give you guys. But here's a video letting you guys know that the OnePlus 7 Pro 256GB variant is on my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody next video. I'm out.